Hi guys, welcome to SMC Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we continue our series on how to navigate the SMC DAO app. And in today's video, we're going to be learning about the library on the SMC DAO app. Right, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find our content helpful, you can support our channel by buying our educational token, WikiCat. WikiCat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. So the contract address of WikiCat will be in the description. Alright guys, so let's dive right into the tutorial. So we're talking about the library on the SMC DAO app. Guys, this library is your go-to resource for staying informed, expanding your knowledge and keeping up with the latest in the crypto and Web3 space. So this library is packed with a variety of resources and learning materials, from videos to audio clips to articles to books and to galleries, right? So I'll be showing you how to navigate each section, assess content and make the most of these resources in the library. It's amazing, right? So without any further ado, let's open the app. Alright, so once you're here, come down here and select the library tab. Alright guys, so like I said, this library has a lot of materials and content, right? And they're already categorized, right? Like you can see here, we have videos, we have articles, we have audios, we have courses, we have books, we have galleries, we have quizzes. And you have 100% access to any of these resources. Alright, so we're going to start with video content. So select videos. Alright guys, so you can see that the videos are categorized into different themes, right, based on their main focus. So let's say I'm looking for a video about mining. I'll just scroll down and select mining here. So select, and you can see different tutorial videos about mining. So you can pick from any of these videos and you can play. So that's all for videos. So let's go to articles. Alright, so you can see that articles are also categorized based on their theme. So say I want to read an article about trading. I'll just find the theme here. So you can see we have 3 articles that focus on trading, right? So I'll just select. These are the articles. Alright, so I can pick from any of these articles. Say this. Can read through the articles. Alright, so let's go back. Alright, so next we have audios. So select audios. Also categorized. You can pick any of the categories. Alright, so let me pick Twitter Space. Alright, so just pick any of the audio that you want to listen to. So I'm going to pick this. It's an AMA with Gate.io, so I'll just select. So just press play and you should begin to hear your audio. Yeah, you can also drop a comment and view other people's comment about the content. Okay, so that'll be all for audios. Alright, so next we're going to go over to courses. So here you can access courses, study pack that actually focus on different crypto related areas. So at the moment we only have for trading, so select trading. Alright, so you can see the courses that are available, right? So to take a course, just select the course. Alright, and here you have like the overview of the course, like what each part of the course like focuses on. So here is the course itself. So it's categorized into modules. So to open the module, just select and play. Alright, so you can see the video is actually playing. Right, so you can like this module, you can like, and you can, once you're done, you can mark it as read or as completed, right? And if you want to move to the next module, just select next. Alright guys, so it's that easy. So down here you can drop a comment about the course. Nice. And you can see other people's comments. Alright, so we're gonna go back. Alright, so we go over to books. Here, books are also categorized depending on what you're looking out to read. You can choose from any of this category. So say I want to read a spiritual book, I'll have to select this category, spiritual. So it brings all the spiritual books that are available on the app, and I can decide to begin to read any of them. Say this one. So to start reading the book, select read book, and then it loads the book. Amazing. Alright, so let's go back. So next we have galleries. So let's check out our galleries. Okay, it's also categorized. So in the galleries section we have visuals, and one of the major category here is events. Right, so let's open that. So here are collections of pictures from events organized or hosted by the SMC DAO. Right, so you can view any of the collections. You can go through the pictures. Alright, so the last one here is quizzes. So let's open that. So here you can take questions that will help you know how knowledgeable and updated you are about Web3, crypto, and also about the community, right? So there are different categories. You can choose from any of these categories. So some questions actually comes with rewards. Some questions comes with badges, right? When you correctly answer them, you get your badge. All right, so let's speak from any of this category. SMC down. So we did this when we were signing up and we got a badge from this. So to take part in a quiz, just select the quiz. All right, so go through the questions, pick the right answer for each question, and then when you're done, submit your answers. All right, so once you submit, right, your score and your time will be reviewed to you so that you can know how much time it took you to answer the questions and how much of the questions you answered correctly. All right, guys, so let's go back. All right, so I think at this point we have actually visited all the various sections in the library. All right, so down here, the categories, we still have the same category, right? But the content under each category are presented based on how recent, they are. When you select see all, it then takes you to the whole package. Alright guys, so that'll be all for the SMC DAO library. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial video. If you have any questions concerning the tutorial, please drop your questions in the comment section. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on your bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a video. Bye guys.